And we're going to start the first one. If you follow, it will be the grape leaves. And the first thing to do with the grape leaves is what I do. So we're going to do step by step. Is I prepare the pot. I put like a cinnamon stick there, and I cut the tomatoes into round and put them at the bottom. This is the first thing that we do. Okay, then we're gonna take the rice. That for each pound of meat, you have all that information in your first page, and you could write at the other side of the page any notes that you want to put. Each one you have enough place to write notes. So for each pound of meat, we put 1 cup of rice. And for the stuffing, I like to use Carolina rice. And then we put the rice, and I add for each, like I said, cup, 1 small, cut tomatoes, the canned tomatoes, the petite cut it's called. I throw it over the rice first thing, let it soak, with the rice. And then what I do, I'll take the grape leaves. They come in a jar. We'll take the grape leaves out, and we have, we're going to boil them like for 2 minutes. That way they will be a little bit, not as tough from the jar. So we'll have that set. Okay, and we'll take them out, we'll put them in the colander and have them ready to, like you see them, to start rolling. Then after we finish, I'll put the meat with the rice, the salt, the pepper, I have all that, the black pepper, the allspice, black pepper, and the cinnamon stick, like I said, at the bottom of the pan. We mix them well, and then we have now the stuffing ready. And you're going to be taking put the vein up, and they could help you, the ladies will help you. The vein up, because we're going to be putting the stuffing there. So we're putting up like this, towards you. This part will be towards me like that. The skinny, the pointed away from you, the pointed side away from you. Any questions? Pardon? Yeah, I know. Wait. So we're going to be putting, no talking please. We're going to be putting the stuffing. You take like 1 teaspoon, you have enough for 3. So divide them into 3 and put them. Okay, so you do that, and I'm gonna start turning them. I'm gonna turn the sides in. I turn the side in towards the stuffing, like that. You see? Turn it down. Cutting like that, both sides. Okay? Are we ready for the next step? And then I'm gonna fold them. I'm gonna fold them and start rolling. Roll them tight. And you will have it this way. No talking, please. Are we okay with it? Any questions? I'm gonna do another one. Okay, I put the stuffing, do the folding, and turn. Hello? Okay, I finished my 3. Okay. So you're gonna please let's not talk too much. You see what I did? You see? Here we are. Let me fix this for you. See, you could bring those down like this.
And then the left side, the right side, and then roll forward.
So did I do that one back up?
I fixed it for you. This is good.
Open that up all the way. This is definitely a labor of love. It is working.
Perfect.
So we were at
Okay?
a long time ago. And they had, okay.
Yeah, like this.
Some of mine?
Yeah.
Should I just put them in your pot or not?
No, they'll do them.
Do you want that?
Okay, they'll take them. I'm just showing you what I'm doing here.
So you
Okay.
just set it all.
You set it all around. That way, when we invert them on a dish.
What kind of tomato do you use?
I had one questions for the petite tomatoes that you use with the grape leaves. Make sure they are plain. There is no, usually they come with oregano and thyme, and some they are just plain. So use the plain one because you don't want to change the flavor of the grape leaves. Hello? Okay. We have the grape leaves here. And now I'm gonna invert them to see how it works. Hopefully it will work. So I'm going to, wait, where's my, no, this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm going to take out the extra water. There's still some in it still, but it's okay. Count. 1, 2, 3. I try not to. See, you put them a certain way. That's okay. You put them this way, and then that way, and then this way, and that way. They won't come apart. Thank you very much. And welcome.